my god, look at this shrimp pancake. And this is Char's favorite. Okay, what do we have next? Right here. Look at this, Char. Here we have shrimp paste stir-fried cabbage. The aroma, oh, so good. Oh, let's look at this. Oh, it's heavy.
No.
Oh, we're vlogging. Do you guys know what this is? This is not even on the menu. I just created this and I asked them to make it for me. Like, really? It's not on the menu. So if you come, you're gonna have to maybe drop my name. Nah, just kidding. Okay, no, man, let's just eat, babe. Sharp already made. Let's just eat.